Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create an event flyer in Snappa. Creating an event flyer in Snappa is straightforward and allows you to design a professional looking flyer. Start by logging into your Snappa account. Go to the template section, look for the flyer template, or you can also choose a custom size and set the dimension of 2550 pixels and the height of 3300. Click on Create button. In the Background tab, add the background that suits the event's theme. Adjust the opacity or the blur of the background. Go to the Text tab and add the main element. You can include event name, date and time, location, and call to action. Use consistent font size and color to organize information. You can change the font by clicking on this drop-down menu, and you can increase the size of the font from this box. You can change these colors by clicking on this color picker option. You can add image, icon or shapes to enhance the flyer. Go to the graphics and you can upload your own image, or you can also find the pre-made icons from here. Make sure the visual doesn't overpower the text but complement the flyer's theme. Check the overall layout for readability, making sure that all essential details are clear and well spaced. Click on Download in the top right corner and choose PNG or JPG format. If you plan to print the flyer, ensure the downloadable file has a high resolution. By following these steps, you can create a polished event flyer in Snappa. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.